Okay, good evening everyone. Okay, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel once again. Okay, so in this video we are analyzing natural gas. Okay, so I'll start from my monthly time frame. Okay, so on my monthly time frame, I just have to break it down first. Okay, we have to break it down all the way from our monthly time frame. So looking at it from our monthly time frame, we see that we have a high here, and we see we have a low, that is the lowest point and the highest point. Okay, so I'll just take note of this area and this area. Okay, so these two areas are acting as my demand and my supply. Okay, and also in between we have some important key levels. Okay, so this is a key level, this is another key level. Okay, so that is that on my monthly time frame. I don't really need much. So now I'll move to my weekly time frame. Let's see what we have. So this is our weekly time frame. Take a look. If you take a close look at it, you see we have a trend line. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, we have a trend line. Okay, we have a trend, and just extend this. Okay, so and for every support there has to be a resistance. Okay, so I have my resistance level here. Okay, so the current situation now on our weekly time frame is price is on a resistance zone. Price is on a resistance zone at the moment. Okay, and what do we do on the resistance zone? We look out for a selling opportunity. Okay, so now I'll move to my daily time frame. Okay, so this is my daily time frame. On my daily time frame, take a look at it closely. You see we have, there's what we call trends in trend. Okay, so inside this trend, inside this major trend, we have a trend inside. So this is a trend. For every support there has to be a resistance. Okay, this is a trend. We have a trend inside. Okay, so I'll move to my H4 time frame. But before I move to my H4 time frame, we see that price is trending inside this trend, inside this main trend. Price is trending. So the scenario now is I expect price to move all the way to this level and then come back here according to what I am looking at on my daily time frame. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, but I still need to dive to lower time frame to do my confirmations. Okay, so I'll take note of this area here to be my support. Okay, so now I'll move to my H4 time frame. H4 time frame where I'll be more specific. Okay, so let's pay a close attention to our H4 time frame. So this is our H4 time frame. On my daily time frame, I said I'm expecting a buy all the way to this this resistance level, and according to my H4 time frame as well, I'm still looking forward to buy this instrument from this level all the way to this level. Okay, but at the moment we do not have a buy entry. At the moment we just have to wait. We 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 have to wait. Okay, so now let's head to our H1 time frame. Let's see what's happening over there. Okay, so I'll be looking for my buying opportunity on any of these zone, on any of these zones. So now I expect price to come back to this area here, to this key level, okay, and probably gives me my buy entry. Then I'll take the buy and then set my stop loss below this region here. Then I'll set my targets all the way in. So if probably price did hit my stop loss, I'll find another entry somewhere here. Then I'll have my stop loss below this region. Then I'll take my profit all the way up. But to we that we have a bigger account, okay, to we that we have a bigger account, we can always find our entry here. Okay, but first we have to wait for price to push back down a little bit. We'll find our entry here, then we'll have our stop loss below this region. Then we'll set our take profit here. Okay, so I think that is my expectation on natural gas. Okay, so that is that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful night.